About this item: high quality material. This mini projector mount is made of high quality metal, 5.04 x 2.32 x 0.47 in, which is not easy to corrode and deform. It can be used perfectly under 2.6 pounds. Adjustable angle. This projector shelf for wall can be rotated up and down or left and right to adjust the angle, which is very suitable for high quality viewing angle. Easy installation. This projector mount comes with 1/4 screw. Simply mount the device to the projector holder. Quick release projection. Widely used. You can nail it on the wall, desktop, bedside and other places. The universal projector bracket can also be fixed on a movable wooden block or metal plate. Suitable for most mini projectors, digital cameras, and webcams. 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Your satisfaction is our goal. If you don't like the goods received, you can contact us at any time, and we will refund or exchange the goods for you. In the description to get this product today at the best price. About this item: high quality material. This mini projector mount is made of high quality metal, 5.04 x 2